again. Good evening, Mr. Binondo. We are the first group in our Mechanical Engineering 111 subject. And I would like to introduce individually my teammates. First would be Miss Amadora.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Then next would be Miss Chloe Aro.
Good evening, engineer.
Good evening.
Then of course our very own beloved Mr. Binondo as well, Carol.
Yeah.
Then also Mr. CJ Cantil.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Then of course Mr. Jury Caputolan.
Good evening, sir.
Then myself, Mr. Gabriel Dinadice. Good evening.
Good evening.
And then Mr. Daz Celosha.
Yeah, good evening.
Then last but not least is Mr. Nick Cardoza.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So as for tonight, Mr. Binondo, we will be asking a series of questions for our ME111 project, which are relevant and significant in our course in mechanical engineering. So if that's okay, Mr. Binondo, you also have the right to refuse to answer the question if ever it may seem necessary. So
I am very willing as long as I can answer your question.
Sure, sir. So as for the first question, Ms. Nicolette Amadora will be asking.
So, hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening.
So, for your first question, what branch or which field of mechanical engineering do you work as? Let's say, are you in a power plant or automotive?
Yeah. Actually, since the beginning of my career now, I was assigned to the engineering and construction role for almost 15 years. Then right after that one, I was assigned to the operation and maintenance of the power plant. So my whole, maybe my 1/4 portion of my life was fully, what is that? I was fully engaged in the power plant.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I would like to ask, sir, how long have you been working in that field?
Yeah, as I've said, I've been working with construction and engineering for almost 15 years, and for the operation and maintenance, I've been working for that group for almost 15 years also. Because I just received my 30 years service award lately for the present company that I've been working with. So
I would be questioning you, Pak. Have you tried taking the lead in some big or small projects?
yeah, actually during my construction time, I'm leading for big projects here in Leyte. We have Paris project here in Leyte. Then during my present position here, I am leading for a big rehabilitation project in the power plant. That was in the year 2016 until 2017. It's a big project, a billion projects. Then right after that one, I was also leading a project that is a rehabilitation of the cooling towers. Then we have also a lot of projects just like improvements of the power plant, just to improve the efficiency of the power plants. So for my whole life, I'm very glad that I work with my company right now because I learn a lot. Because not just for the maintenance right now, but also for the projects.
Sir, have you experienced any sorts of conflicts and misunderstandings with fellow workers and colleagues, or even with the superiors?
Actually, if we are working with the company, especially there's a lot of problems. We can't avoid conflicts or misunderstanding with colleagues due to conflicting ideas. We have a lot of ideas, and exchanging of ideas is very helpful for us because it produces a lot of good products. Just for example, we are a generating power plant. We are exchanging ideas. We have a lot of ideas. That is why there's a misunderstanding because somebody in the your colleagues would say once you raise your voice, there's another meaning for that one. That is why you cannot avoid conflicts. But it's a healthy conversation. But with regards to the personal conflicts now, it's more on the ideas on how you maintain and operate the power plant.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. For my question is, what made you choose this profession?
Actually, during my younger age, it's my dream to become a mechanical engineer. Because I have a lot of cousins in Negros Oriental. Most of them are engineers, and only few taking up mechanical. I am very curious about mechanical because mechanical engineering for me offers an excellent career growth and opportunity. So whether you want to specialize in a particular area or into a management or entrepreneur, as you gain experience and develop your skill, you can take more challenging like projects, leading projects. Then actually, it's my dream not to just to kuan bitaw kana bitang stop once I get the license, but I still keep on studying. I took my management course, then I took my professional mechanical license. That is why I'm teaching also mechanical engineering right now. One of the colleges here in Leyte. I'm teaching power plant engineering and industrial power plant.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so as for my sixth question, so, Mr. Binondo, good evening again. How much does this field of work pay you for your hard work? Or in simpler terms, how big is your salary?
Actually, right now it's 6 digit, so it's up to you. It's the minimum. It's 6 digit right now. So I sent all my children to good school. So that's all. It's a 6 digit.
Very nice answer, sir. Thank you very much. So as for the seventh question, can they ask, please?
Regarding about your salary, sir, I would like to ask if your salary pay enough to support the needs of your family. Are you genuinely satisfied or think your skills and talents are in for a higher calling? That's
Yeah, actually, for me, based on my experience right now, I'm still enjoying working with the company, even though I'm almost retiring in 4 years. But with regards to the salary, really, it supports all the needs of my family. You can go somewhere, you can send if you want. Yeah, as long as it really the salary that I get from the company really helps me a lot. Not just from the company, but and also from my what is that? As a part-timer teaching in college.
So, sir, what is the most valuable lesson you have learned as a mechanical engineer, and how does it achieve your career goal?
As a mechanical engineer, it really made me mentally strong to accept failure and rejections, and in life. And also, it also taught me that what Adi was doing was not enough. And a little bit shy type when I go to school. Actually, I really want to develop myself from a shy type to a very talkative person until I'm very just like a politician person. I have a lot of friends. Yeah. With regards to my goal, I think if you are dreaming for a goal, you cannot really attain 100%. But my probably ako bang ba is to go ahead, go on and go on. Probably never stop from learning. Every now and then you have to learn. It's not from reading from the magazine or any instructional books. I learn also from like you, students. It's actually unique. So I learn from the students also learn from me. Yung manay ako, ang goal is to makanap is to share akong knowledge with them. That is why I'm asking Gio why he's taking up mechanical engineering.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. We're all good na? Alright. So since we're all good, we would like to say that this meeting is complete and adjourned. Thank you very much, Mr. Binondo, for tonight. Thank you, Kai, for being our guest. Good.